Hello, I'm here today with Neil Ritson, CEO of Leni Gas Oil.
Hi.
Neil, welcome. Hi there. There's been a lot of news recently about your operations at the Goodron Field. Can you tell us a bit about that?
Yeah, Goodron is a field that we bought about just over a year ago, at the very end of 2012. And the first phase of our operations there were to complete a number of legacy wells, put them back on production, which we've done. We have about 70 of those old wells producing. But they're on pump, they've been around a long time, and there's not a lot we can do with those. But to prepare for new drilling, we also have been repairing all the infrastructure. We built an entirely new camp with workshops and accommodation and offices. We put in communications. This is a very remote facility in the primary forest in Trinidad. So all of that's been done, new sales tanks, new water treatment, and that's set us up for the drilling phase that's just got underway.
So tell us about the recent drilling.
Yeah, well, that's where the really exciting things are happening. The old wells producing 350 barrels a day between them, so that's 70 wells. New wells will hope to come on at about 100 barrels a day, somewhere between 60 and 100. Well, we drilled the first one, and it came on at 240 barrels a day, natural flow rate, so we don't need to pump it. And that was a constrained rate. That's flowing through a hole which is less than a quarter of an inch in diameter. And with very good pressure. So why is it different? Well, modern drilling techniques, modern completion techniques with much more powerful, more comprehensive shooting into the formation to get contact between the oil zones and the wellbore. And that really is showing great promise. And we moved on from the first well, we drilled a second well, very similar looking geology and results. And we're about halfway through the third well. Again, it's looking very, very similar. So we have 30 of these wells to drill. So that starts to set us up for quite a good production rate for the future, which is, what we hoped and why we bought into the field. But it's nice to see those results starting to come through now.
And these results must have had a significant impact on your share price.
They have indeed. Our long-term trading average for the previous 12 months was about a penny. We're currently trading today at around about 4 pence, which is a substantial improvement. It reflects the level of confidence that the market now has in our ability to deliver a development at Goodron. It probably reflects the higher than expected average production from these wells. So that's good. We're expecting new consensus numbers to come out from the analysts at around 5 to 6 pence. There's always a bit more you can get out of something. Our next couple of moves will be to finance the Goodron development with long-term debt, something that we've been working on for about 18 months now, but we haven't closed. We wanted to see the results, and of course the banks also wanted to see this level of confidence before they came in. So that'll be happening through the summer. And we're thinking about what next. There is more to do at Goodron. There's a water flood to do, but that will take a number of years to get into effect. So we're looking at other assets in Trinidad that would have similar potential. We've proven what we can do. Let's see if we can do it again. So there's some news flow to come.
And what do you think investors can expect over the next year?
I think they can expect certainly the debt coming in and the news around that. I'm sure that continued drilling results. We've been putting out a lot of press releases to keep the market fully informed. As we become routine on drilling new wells, I think that will subside somewhat, but then we'll move on to production. These first 4 wells from this pad won't be completed until we've drilled all 4. So there's no production numbers coming out at the moment, but as soon as those do, that will obviously be something that people will be looking for. And yes, we're on the trail of additional acquisitions that could repeat this process. So shareholders should get plenty of excitement over the next 12 months.
Thank you very much for joining us today, Neil.
Thank you.
If you'd like any more information, please visit the Edison website.